Hi, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Fashion Hair Club. A hairdo refers to the way that a person's hair is styled or arranged. A hairstyle refers to the specific cut or design of a person's hair. Hairstyles can be short or long, curly or straight, and can be achieved through various methods such as cutting, styling with heat or products, or braiding. Some popular hairstyles include the bob, pixie cut, and French braid. The choice of a hairstyle can depend on a person's personal style, face shape, hair type, and other factors. It is important to choose a hairstyle that is suitable for one's hair type and face shape, as well as one that is easy to maintain and style. Trending haircuts and hairstyles can vary depending on the current fashion trends, as well as individual personal style. Some popular haircut and hairstyle trends that have been seen in recent years include lob, long bob. A lob, or long bob, is a medium-length haircut that falls just above or below the shoulders. It is a versatile haircut that can be worn straight or wavy, and can be styled in a variety of ways. Bangs, or fringes, are a popular trend in haircuts and hairstyles. They can be worn with a variety of haircuts, from short pixie cuts to long layers, and can be styled in many different ways, such as swept to the side or straight across the forehead. Textured hair, which is hair that has a rough, uneven, or tousled finish, is a popular trend in haircuts and hairstyles. This look can be achieved through the use of hair products, such as pomades or sea salt sprays, or through techniques such as scrunching or finger styling. Natural curls, which are curls that are worn in their natural state rather than being straightened or styled, are a popular trend in haircuts and hairstyles. This look can be achieved through the use of curl-enhancing products, such as leave-in conditioners or curl creams, and by avoiding heat styling and brushing. Pastel hair colors, such as pale pink, blue, or purple, have been a popular trend in recent years. These colors can be achieved through the use of temporary or semi-permanent hair dyes, and can be worn as an all-over color or as highlights or lowlights. It's important to keep in mind that trends in haircuts and hairstyles can vary from region to region, and what is popular in one place may not be as popular in another. Ultimately, the most important thing is to choose a haircut and hairstyle that you love and that makes you feel confident and comfortable. Regenerate Response. A pixie haircut is a very short hairstyle that typically involves cutting the hair very close to the head, with longer sections left on top. The hair on the back and sides is usually cut to a length of about 1/4 inch or shorter, while the hair on top is left longer, usually about 2 to 4 inches in length. The length of the top section can vary depending on the desired look and the individual's hair type and texture. To style a pixie cut, you can use a small amount of styling product, such as wax or pomade, to add texture and definition to the hair. Use your fingers to style the hair, creating a tousled or spiky look if desired. You can also use a blow dryer and a round brush to add volume to the top section of the hair. Be sure to use a product that provides a strong hold to help keep the style in place throughout the day. Pixie cuts are a great choice for those who want a low-maintenance hairstyle that